Today I want to talk about the Crypto.com prepaid credit card I've been using since I started college. I was initially skeptical about the Crypto.com credit card because they said that you could get the card sent to you and set up the account for free with no fees on sending money from your bank. But after receiving my Midnight Blue card, I sent money from my bank and loaded the card from my phone app, and I made a purchase at a gas station, got my 1% back immediately, and I was able to convert this into any cryptocurrency or back onto my bank account if I wanted. I was pretty impressed and I got the Ruby Red card. It's $400 at whatever conversion rate you can get the CRO token at. You get 2% back on your spending and a free Spotify account. The way to get the free Spotify account or any of the free rewards is to use your Crypto.com card to pay for the account, and they'll automatically reimburse you pretty much immediately. The next card that's pretty reasonable for normal people would be the Royal Indigo and Jade Green card. It's $4,000 USD at whatever conversion rate you get the CRO token at. You get 3% back on your spending, free Spotify, free Netflix, and an airport lounge access if you're in an airport. That's kind of cool. The next two cards are a very high price but come with a lot of rewards. We'll take a look at them anyway. You get free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb on the Obsidian card, lounge access, Crypto.com private, extra earn bonus rewards. I think that's a higher staking amount for the amount that you stake to get the card. And then a private jet partnership. These are free ATM withdrawal amounts for all the cards. You can spend as much as you want in stores. The part that I like about it is that for the Midnight Blue card, it costs no money at all, and you get a free prepaid credit card and 1% back in rewards on it. I think the Midnight Blue and Ruby Red card would be ideal for someone that doesn't already have a credit card and would like to make online purchases. It worked amazing for me, and it converts better than my real credit card that gives points and only gift cards. An important thing to understand is when you're paying for the cards here with this price, it's not like a normal Visa card where you pay for the subscription for a year. When you stake this, you stake it for half of a year, so 180 days, and then after the 180 days, assuming the coin price hasn't moved at all, which it will, but assuming it hasn't, you can withdraw your $400 and have all your money back. So it's not like you're actually spending $4,000. You're just locking the $4,000 up in the CRO token for half of a year, and then you can withdraw it, or assuming the price of CRO continues to grow as it has been, you can upgrade your cards or do whatever, take money out and then restake a lesser amount and then get your card again. It's important to know that you're not just spending the money, you're locking the money up in the CRO token, which shows the value of the Crypto.com project.